The setup is a 50-ton-per-hour rock gold processing plant, including a vibrating feeder, a primary jaw crusher, a cone crusher, a vibrating screen, a ball mill, a gold centrifugal concentrator, a shaking table, a sluice box, a slurry pump, a belt conveyor, a gold smelting furnace, etc. The system has everything from the feeding of the rock gold ore to the final output of gold bars. According to the rock gold information provided by the customer, we need to grind the rock to a final particle size of 0 to 1 millimeter in order to release the gold from the rock. Therefore, we designed this flow chart. The specific process is as follows. 1. The wheel loader or dump truck feeds the rock gold into the raw material hopper and then smoothly feeds it into the jaw crusher through the vibrating feeder. 2. The first stage primary jaw crusher coarsely crushes the large rocks into medium particles below 100 millimeters. The crushed rocks are fed into the second stage cone crusher through a belt conveyor and further crushed into small particles of 0 to 30 millimeters. 3. 0 to 30 millimeter materials enter the vibrating screen, 0 to 20 millimeter materials are screened out, and more than 20 millimeter materials are returned to the cone crusher. All 0 to 20 millimeter materials from the vibrating screen are sent to the transfer bin in front of the ball mill. 4. An electromagnetic vibrating feeder is installed under the transfer bin, and the 0 to 20 millimeter fine ore is evenly fed into the ball mill through a belt conveyor. 5. The ball mill grinds the 0 to 20 millimeter fine ore to 0 to 1 millimeter to separate the gold concentrate from the rock. 6. The 0 to 1 millimeter slurry enters the gold centrifugal concentrator through a slurry pump or gravity flow. 7. Gold centrifugal concentrators, shaking tables, and sluice boxes are machines for gold ore separation and concentration. Gold centrifugal concentrators are used for the primary beneficiation of gold mines. The concentrate discharged from the centrifugal concentrator will enter the shaking table to further separate the gold, to further improve the purity of the gold. The tailings discharged from the centrifugal concentrator will enter the sluice box to recover more gold. In this way, customers can get as much gold concentrate as possible from this gold beneficiation system. 9. Finally, all gold concentrates are sent to the gold smelting furnace for purification, and finally, gold bars are obtained. This flowchart solution has the following advantages. 1. High crushing rate, suitable for any type of rock, especially hard quartzite gold. 2. The gold recovery rate is as high as 80 to 90%. The ball mill can grind the rock into small pieces, thereby releasing more fine-grained gold from the rock, and then the 3-stage gold beneficiation system is used to extract the released fine-grained gold. 3. Simple operation and easy maintenance. 4. Low investment and fast return.